A captivating garden is essential for enhancing curb appeal, making it your mission to create a visually stunning outdoor space. By cultivating a diverse array of beautiful flowers, you can transform your garden into a striking landscape that captures attention and inspires admiration. Whether you're interested in planting herbs, tomatoes, or flowers, there are countless techniques to elevate your garden's aesthetic. Some methods can make your garden truly unique, drawing the eye and leaving guests in awe. To help you on this journey, I've compiled 10 easy and practical DIY garden art ideas that will significantly enhance your landscaping. Stay tuned for more creative inspirations by subscribing to our updates. Number 10. DIY Flying Kettle Garden Decor Idea. Imagine a teapot that pours out shimmering crystals. Sounds like a fantasy from Alice in Wonderland, right? But what if I told you that you can create your very own whimsical teapot decor? All you need is an old teapot, which you can easily find in your kitchen, gather a bolt, nut, and an iron stand as well. If you wish, consider repainting the teapot to give it a fresh look. However, if you prefer a rustic vibe, let the weathered finish shine through. Once you have everything ready, assemble the iron stand and use a nail and hammer to poke a small hole at the bottom of the teapot, ideally near the spout. Finally, attach some colorful beads to the spout to complete this enchanting garden piece. 9. Spoon Flowers Project Idea. Do you have a collection of unused metal spoons lying around? Instead of tossing them in the trash, why not transform them into beautiful metal flowers for your garden? Start by cutting the spoon handles to the desired length. Position 2 spoons opposite each other and weld them together. Next, gently clamp the assembled spoons in the center while bending them to create flower petals. Finish by placing a ladle into the cup formed by the spoons for a stunning floral effect. 8. Adorable Hedgehog Decor Project Idea. Welcome your guests with charming hedgehog sculptures in your front yard. While they're not real hedgehogs, these delightful sculptures are crafted from hyperturfa cement and polished rocks. This project may require some intermediate skills, but once you master working with hyperturfa cement, you'll be able to create a variety of imaginative decorations for your garden. Number 7. Garden Rock Caterpillar Project Idea. This simple project is perfect for anyone, including toddlers and kids. It offers a fun opportunity to spend quality time creating art with your little ones. All you need are some rocks and acrylic paint in colors of your choice. Let your creativity shine as you decorate the stones, and once you're finished, you'll have a delightful caterpillar to showcase in your garden. Number 6. Giant Dragonflies Project Idea. Transforming your garden doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, you can find materials around your home or snag inexpensive items from a flea market to craft stunning giant dragonflies. Who would have thought that these eye-catching insects could be made from old ceiling fan blades? Gather some fan blades, a table leg, spray paint, and a bit of imagination, and you'll turn a mundane garden into a vibrant space without breaking the bank. Number 5. Sparkling Stepping Stones Project Idea. Stepping stones do more than keep your footwear clean. They can also enhance the beauty of your garden. With decorative stepping stones, you'll feel like you're strolling down a charming pathway. Creating these delightful stones won't cost you a fortune. Simply mix garden stone cement and shape it to your liking. Use mosaic tiles to design your patterns, or get creative with polished pebbles or even broken teacups. Lay your chosen materials into the wet cement, let it dry, and you're all set. 4. Create your own handmade fairy garden. A fairy garden brings a touch of magic to any outdoor space, no matter how small. You can even create one in a flower pot. Before diving in, determine which type of fairy will inhabit your enchanted garden to choose the appropriate flowers. For woodland fairies, gather tree bark strips, river rocks, moss, and twigs. If floral fairies are your muse, look for smooth stones, a miniature fence, and flower borders. A key feature of any fairy garden is the fairy house. You can either buy a miniature house, build one yourself, or transform a pre-made dollhouse with moss, bark, and dried flowers for a whimsical touch. Number 3. Mason Jar Luminaries Project idea. This creative use of mason jars will illuminate your garden walkway beautifully. Picture these shimmering jars lighting the path to your front door. To make these luminaries, turn mason jars upside down and apply silicone sealant to their surfaces. Attach colorful marbles securely, then place a solar tea light votive candle inside. If you want to mount the jar on a stick, punch a hole in the lid and use a wood screw to secure it to a wooden post. Once everything is in place, you'll have a lovely glow to guide your way. Number 2, easy to make garden mushroom project. Doesn't this mushroom project remind you of the iconic Super Mario Bros? Bring that playful spirit to your garden with these simple decorative mushrooms. All you need are terracotta pots and round terracotta drain plates, which are easy to find. With a few paint supplies and some epoxy, you'll soon have charming mushroom decor that brightens your garden in no time. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1, colorful tea party project idea. Old tires are incredibly versatile and can be transformed into furniture, flower beds, or even stylish giant teacups. To create these eye-catching tea party pieces, start by carefully cutting the tires into your desired shape. If needed, bend the edges to achieve a smooth finish. Once shaped, paint the tires in vibrant colors that reflect your style. Fill the tire with soil, and you'll have a unique flower bed that adds charm to your garden. That's it. As you can see, these 10 DIY garden art ideas are not only easy to create, but they also promise to transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis you'll be proud to showcase. What do you think?
Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.